Mr. Makubalo, yesterday when we adjourned to allow consideration to be given to the written admissions in terms of Section 220 that you had presented to the defence. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Yes. Can I just find out, Madam Interpreter, from Ms. Ndamase, accused number 1, has he had an opportunity to consider the written admissions that were asked of him to be made?
Yes, I have the opportunity to read the document.
And what is his attitude towards them being made by him? Is he prepared to make those admissions, to sign that written set of admissions or not?
Yes, I'm prepared to sign.
Yes, thank you. Well, let's wait a moment because I need to find out from the others first. So you may be seated.
bengazi state kulozo maqhubhe sizonilawana ungabane bezisa one baphinde bazise one ngathi bangavele zonke izinto abayazi ukuba sizozidinga ngokwelo nqobo yabo bavele bazise ngexesha elimenzela uba kungalibaseki inqobo.
Okay. There are other documents, my lord, that have been given to me by the state today, and I would like that the state, all the documents that they are going to need for this case must be given to me on time so that I'll be able to prepare and that not waste the cost time.
Yes.
I didn't have the chance to read those documents.
Yes. Well, I'm sure that that message has come across to the state already now from accused number 1, but I will take it up with them. But just don't worry about those documents for the moment. We'll obviously have to get to them next. Well, this may I just find out in respect of the Section 220 admissions, Mr. Nokwali, in respect of accused number 2, is accused number 2 prepared to make those admissions?
Thanks, my lord. I have consulted with accused number 2. He is not prepared to sign the admission, and as such, I did explain the implications of the Section 220 admissions, but nevertheless, he does not want to involve himself in something that he does not know. The state has to read evidence.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Well, then, in those circumstances, there's no point in me asking in respect of the further accused, because we're going to have to allow the state to deal with it differently. Yes, thank you.
I am questioning for advocate also, but I cannot get instructions in relating to this.
Yes, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it stops with you. Can I just revert to Mr. Ndamase now? Because of the reluctance or the refusal of accused number 2 to make those admissions, it will not be necessary for him to make those admissions in terms of Section 220. The state will have to lead evidence. Does he understand?
Yeah, but yes, I do.
Yes, thank you. May be seated. Mr. Makubalo, what is the position regarding this additional documentation that has been given to accused number 1? Does it relate to all the accused?
My lord, it's only in respect of giving evidence, my lord. Yes, it does relate to all accused, my lord. Yes, it's only 3 statements, including the SABC register, my lord. Those were the 4 documents that were given to the defense.
So do I understand correctly that wasn't part of the original docket contents that were handed over to the defense earlier on?
Not at all, my lord. It was only a matter of issue that was discovered after we consulted with the state witnesses, and then we felt that there is a necessity to obtain those statements to the relevant witnesses.
Well, I'll find out what the attitude of defense counsel is. You've heard what accused number 1 has said. He's obviously disappointed to be given something late and wants to know whether all the documentation can be given to him. Have you got anything else that is going to be furnished down the line that you could make available at this stage?
No, not at all, my lord. That is something that we have discovered during consultation. It was unforeseen to us at that moment we were reading the document.
All right. Let me find out firstly, Mr. Nokwali, what is the attitude of you as defense counsel to the handing over of documentation at this stage?
I also confirm that we were given some documents by the state just today, and we had some discussion with the state to the fact that it seems their case is developing day by day by giving us new documents, and we need some time to consult with clients so that they give us instruction in relation to the set documents. When we consulted, they were not there. We consulted and gave some advices, but now it seems with the new information, we have to reconsult so that we consider the advices that we have given to clients and the direction to take after having received the documents. In that case, Margaret, I believe we cannot then proceed. We are unable to proceed without having consulted and taken instructions.
And that will take some time. I haven't seen these documents, but you need to tell me, is it likely to be possible in an hour or two, or do you want to take the rest of today?
Well, in 2 hours, can be done in 2 hours.
And then we might as well not be here, because with that and a lunch adjournment for court staff, we will be at the end of the court day. Can I just find out, other defense counsel, are you in the same position?
Yes, my lord. I'm also in the same position. This is just to formulate a proper defense for our client's worship. And this is the worship. It's going to be new consultation from the initial consultation that we had.
All right. Okay. Mr. Babane, are you in the same position too?
I'm in the same position. I draw further submission. I align myself with the submissions by other people.
Yes.
As well, on behalf of case number 6, I share the same sentiment. I also sitting in the same position.
So what I propose then will become evident when I address accused number 1. In fact, it's a decision I've made, Mr. Makabole. It's not possible to expect the defense to face whatever witness you might decide to call as your first witness without being able to have had proper preparation in respect of this matter. So I'm going to allow it to stand down until tomorrow for that to happen.
As a court business matter.
Can I just tell Mr. Ndamase now that he also will spend the rest of today, must look at those documents that have been made available to him. From what I'm hearing, it's a set of statements, which normally means that it's evidence that's going to be led by witnesses. And the SAP 13 register, that is, I don't know whether he knows it or not, that is a register in which exhibits usually taken from a crime scene are booked in for safekeeping.
ityala lizawumiswa kwenzele into yoba unikwe ithuba elaneleyo into yokokuba ujonge loo maxwebhu lawo uwafunde kwenzele uzokwazi ukuxoxa njengoba umtshutshisi ethi ubungqina obutsha obuthe bavela xa ebethetha namanina bese ibuza kwakhona inkundla into yoba ingaba unalona ulwazi ngencwadi ekuthiwa ngu-SAB 13 le ncwadi yokuthi xa kusuka ubunqina obufinyelwe kwindawo yesehlo uhambe kuyogcina futhi unayo obo bungqina apho ku-SAB 13 unayo? Yes, I have. I'm aware of that, of the SAP 13, my lord, and I have the document SAP register.
Yes, very well then. So, unfortunately now we're obliged to adjourn this matter again until tomorrow morning.
Ngelishwa ke ityala eli ke kuzafuneka liphinde lirhoxiswe namhlanje lirhoxiselwa ingomso ukunika ithuba ummangalwa wokuqala nabameli babanye abamangalelwa ukuthi bafunde la maxwebhu bewanikwa namhlanje ukulungisela ityala.
Can I just ascertain, Mr. Makabalu, once consultations have been held in respect of these additional documents, the matter then resumes, are you intent then to be leading your first witnesses?
Yes, my lord, but firstly I will just have to make an application to admit the post-mortem reports in terms of section 2 submission, my lord, and then we need evidence after that.
Yes. So it would be appropriate at this stage to indicate to those responsible for live streaming that in accordance with the directive given by the court, this will be the end of the live streaming opportunity until there is a decision of some moment relating to an element of the trial or a judgment or something of that nature in respect of which you will be given notice should you wish to live stream that. But in respect of live evidence, it was the decision of the court that it would not be in the interests of justice to allow for live streaming to occur while witnesses are giving evidence in this matter. So I thank you for your cooperation and for the manner in which you've handled the live streaming thus far. Court will adjourn.